is transformed into the crisp set A lambda for a given value of lambda. So 0 lies, so lambda lies in between 0 and 1. So what is the formula? Formula is A lambda is equal to X, such that membership value of X for the fuzzy set A should be greater than equal to lambda. So what is X? X is an element from any element from the fuzzy set A, and mu denotes the membership value. What mu denotes? Mu denotes the membership value. So you read it as you have to select an element X such that membership value of that element X belongs to fuzzy set A should be greater than equal to lambda. Lambda lies in between 0 and 1. Okay, now take an example. Fuzzy set A is given having the 4 elements, namely x1, x2, x3 and x4. So for lambda is equal to 1, you have to consider only element x1. Okay, what you have to consider? You have to consider the element x1, because all other values are less than equal to lambda. So what our formula says? Our formula says that you have to consider the membership values whose value is greater than equal to lambda. So here lambda is equal to 1, and from this fuzzy set only x1 is the element whose membership value is 1. That's why here for lambda is equal to 1, A1 is equal to x1. Next, for lambda is equal to 0.5. See the given fuzzy set? Yes, you can say that x1 and x2 are the two elements whose value is greater than equal to lambda. Okay, and that's why in the lambda set for lambda is equal to 0.5, x1 and x2 elements are get considered. For lambda is equal to 0.4, x1, x2 and x4 elements get considered. All of you know that 0.3 is less than equal to 0.4, and that's why we have not considered x3 in this lambda cut set of lambda cut set of lambda is equal to 0.4. Okay, so what you have to remember? You have to remember that you have to consider only those elements whose value is greater than equal to lambda. Okay, thank you. Here fuzzy set A